Hello, my name is Stewart, a landscaper trained by a golf course superintendent for the Care Western Washington Lawns. And this is a lawn that I have just thatched, aerated, seeded, fertilized. I put a little lime on here. I put a wetting agent on here, a W-E-T-T-I-N-G, wetting agent to allow water to move throughout the soil profile. And I put on 1 bag of soil amendment. Today is August 29th. And I'm going to come back in about a month's time, take a look at this lawn and see how it's doing. This is a lawn underneath a bunch of evergreen trees. It's been having a really tough time. Once again, this is Stewart, Aerating and Thatching Company, LawnTuneUps.com. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hello, today is September 20th. And this is a lawn that I had thatched, aerated, seeded, fertilized, and put some soil amendment on here. And I was just coming back here to take a look at it and just see how this lawn is doing. Once again, this is Stewart, Aerating and Thatching Company, LawnTuneUps.com, and I call this my full meal deal. Thank you. Bye-bye.